The universe is vast and incredibly strange. Looking up, you see hundreds of billions of galaxies with sextillions of stars. And in the middle of it all sits Earth with you and us. But as enormous as the universe seems looking up, it feels even larger when you start looking down. Your current lie towering over worlds within worlds, each in plain sight yet hidden from your daily experience. Slip into this science suit so you can survive the transition. Let's go. You are now the size of a grain of sand, just 2 millimeters high. A single blade of grass towers over you like an 8-story building. Square meter of lawn has become a dense metropolis containing 2 Manhattans worth of grass towers. From this perspective, the park is now the size of France. A bee lands near you like a massive helicopter, making the ground shake. You try to run, but you realize the air has become go-owy. At this scale, air resistance is so high it feels like you are moving through honey. Insects stand twi here. They use their wings like paddles to row through the viscous air. Click. You are now less than 2 micrometers tall, the size of a bacterium. The park you started in is now 1,000,000 kilometers wide. It would take 25 years to cross it on foot. The grass blade now stretches as wide as a country, and its surface is a terrain of individual cells that look like glass houses. Look closely. Those giant openings are stomata, breathing in air like massive mouths. Suddenly, a drop of water falls like an asteroid. Instead of a punch, you feel a sticky trap. Water molecules pull on each other with strong, cohesive forces, holding you like glue around you. Microorganisms pass by like freight trains or car-sized jellyfish. Because they weigh so little and water is so viscous, they have no inertia, leading to a weird, jerky motion that defies our normal understanding of physics. You are now the size of a molecule, the water drop. Lead is now as big as the moon. You can finally see the source of the invisible currents. A literal storm of H2O molecules smashing into each other hundreds of trillions of times a second. Each one moves at 2,300 kilometers per hour. This is the true face of heat, not a feeling, but the violent vibration and collision of particles knocked out of the droplet. You see something unexpected. The vacuum. 99.9% of the space around you is actually nothingness. Every breath you take is mostly empty space with just a few atoms scattered within. At the subatomic scale, an atomic nucleus is the size of a grain of sand, while its electron cloud occupies a sphere of influence as large as the Eiffel Tower. These nuclei are not still. They are chaotic blurs that bulge and quiver, holding back the same energy that powers nuclear bombs. We reach the Planck length, the border between reality and unreality. Here, particles bubble into existence and vanish in a quantum foam of unimaginable energy. This is the bottom of the universe. It is time to return. We zoom back out, through the atoms, past the cells, and back to the park. The universe is large and strange, whether you look up or down. But as we stand here, we realize that the perfect place might be exactly where you are right now. Not too big and not too small.